everybody, it is day 2 of being back from vacation, and guess where I'm at? I'm back here working. I have more orders that have come in on Etsy, which is wonderful. Definitely had an order on eBay come in, had orders on my website, and I still had some Amazon orders. So I'm very thankful, and I just want to say that if anybody tells you that it's easy, passive income, they're not telling you the truth. It is 6 a.m. and I'm ready to start my day. It takes a lot of work. I have no makeup on, no nails on. It is 6 a.m. and I'm ready to go. And that is what you need if you're going to be successful and start your business. You've got to get up. You got to get going. Everybody else in my house is asleep, but I'm ready to go. I've already had the coffee. And the good news is that I definitely have more orders on Etsy. I am so excited just to be back and to be working. But I'm going to tell you, if anybody tells you that it is easy, it is passive income, that is not true. You've seen I've been back for a day, 2 days, and I'm back here grinding again. And I'm grinding early. And that's how you build a successful business. Not just by passively building it, but actually physically working in your business. Now, yesterday, I did stay in my office and I worked on my website. I had about 5 boxes come in when I was gone on vacation, and I've got to do a lot of listing on my Shopify website. I'm going to show you some of the products that came in. So I got these really cool new Barbie backpacks, and I don't typically open up the packages because I like to keep them in the manufacturer's packaging, but I did spend time putting this on my Shopify site yesterday. So if you guys want to know how to build a listing on Shopify, comment, help me build a listing on Shopify, and I will make a video on how I put my listings together on my Shopify website. This other cute Barbie purse came in. So I was listing that yesterday, and I just saw that I got this new Hello Kitty backpack. I have not got that up. So after I do about 4.5 hours of work here this morning, I will then go back to my office and I will start working on the business side of the business. So right now I'm working in the business, but after I'm done working in the business, which means physically working for me. And now most of you, I don't know what you make, but I'm a handmade maker. So I have to physically work every day to get my orders out. So once I'm done working in the business, then I'm gonna go into my office upstairs and work on the business. And working on the business means adding products to my website, updating my pictures, making sure that my tags are correct, my SEO. Now I've decided to not pour too much time into the platforms, as I talked about building your own playground, building your own home. So for me, that means that my business has to come first now. I'm no longer putting Etsy or eBay or Amazon before my own home, my own playground. So today, my website will be priority 1, and then I will check my Etsy, just make sure everything is still going, but I'm not pouring my time into that. As I said, this is the year to build my own playground. So I'm trying to build that website up. So once I get these products onto my site, this here, then I will make a video. I will unbox one of these. I will make a reel. I will make a TikTok. I will make a YouTube video. If you want to see some of my YouTube videos for my products, my YouTube for my business is Bubblegum Divas. And you can just look on there and look at some of the reels that I've created. And that has really helped my business grow on my website. Also, I've been running Facebook ads. So once I make the video, then I will run a Facebook ad using that video, and that has really gotten things moving for me. I did not know the power of Facebook until I started doing some of my reels and then turning those into Facebook ads. So people tend to really like that, and it's really bring a lot of people to my website. So the other thing that I want to talk about is yesterday, Etsy CEO Josh Silverman made a video I was too busy listing on my website to really watch it. So I'm going to watch it today while I work. I have a TV back here. I'm going to listen to what he says. And then I'm going to try to break down some of the new things that he's saying that they're coming up with. I have a feeling that they're talking about really just sorting us out into handmade or to digital or to, if you're using a production partner, I really don't know, but whatever it is, they really need to go back to what made them great to begin with, because it has been pretty tough on Etsy. Now, let me look at my Etsy sales and let me see how many sales came in just yesterday, okay? Okay, so I'm looking at my sales that came in on Etsy yesterday. Now, this is just one day. Mind you, I used to have 15 orders a day on Etsy when everything was really, really great, but now it's trickled down. But again, as I told you in my previous video, I have done some things to help move the algorithm, such as offering free shipping guarantee. I am running a sale right now, and I've also implemented all the come back, add to cart, favorited item, coupons and discounts that Etsy has in the back door to see if I can help boost my shop back up so that I can get the algorithm moving. And as you know, I was on vacation, so therefore I needed to do some serious boosting just to get things rolling. And actually it's paying off, because I had orders when I first came back, which if you look at my previous video, you will see that I was packing, and I'm looking now and I have orders this morning. So I have an order for $79 for an outfit. I have another order for a shirt and a skirt, $62 on Etsy. I have that pony shirt that I was talking about in my previous video that I didn't get to make. I thought it had come in. It was delayed, so I'm going to actually be making that this morning. And that was $40. And then I have 2 sock monkeys that sold, and that total was $71.42. So this morning I have 4 orders, and okay, I had a message, but it looks like I already replied to her. So again, the things that I noticed was that they were actually having us approve a message from a buyer, so that's very new. I don't know when I was gone what happened, what changed, but I do see that. I do see a new tab that says deals. Again, I'm not spending too much time on Etsy, really focusing on all the changes. I just have to keep moving, because if you keep moving, then all the noise will dissipate. I am just trying to keep working my butt hard and getting this built back up. But meanwhile, my website is first. So today I will continue listing on my website. Again, if you want to see how I create a listing on Shopify, just comment, help me make a listing on Shopify, and I will make a video showing how that is done. So I'm gonna get to these orders, and then I will actually film myself making this today. How about that? I'll do another make it with me so you can see how I make my products that are handmade, that are unique, that are just something that, the things that I love, the things that I like, without copying, without infringing, without doing anything that is going to get me in any kind of trouble or suspended off the platform. I do have my licensed products, but I'm an authorized retailer to sell those, and those are only sold on my website, my own playground, my own home. And I decided to bring those products in just to help get Google going, so people come to my website more and they're looking for those name brand products. But those are something that I don't tamper with. They come the way they come packaged, they come with all their licensing on them, and I just put them up, make videos, do unboxings, and I resell them just like this. So I'm gonna get to work, okay? Because it's gonna be about 117 degrees today, and I wanna get in here early, and I have a lot of office work to do. So thank you for joining me. I'm Elisa, and welcome back to my channel. Like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up. Tonight, we gonna light it up, babe. Tonight, we gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we gonna light it up. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up. Tonight, we gonna light it up, babe. Tonight, we gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we gonna light it up.
Okay, so I just want to give a quick update. I'm 3 hours in. It is now 9 a.m. and I finished my outfits. I have most of my packages finished. Let me show you. Here they all are. These are all the packages that I made this morning for the last 3 hours. Now, part of my customer service is that when I am done with an outfit, I will photograph it and I will send a thank you to the customer on Etsy, letting them know that their product is finished. I hope that they have a wonderful day. I hope they enjoy the product. Thank you so much. This builds trust, and it also lets them know that you have really shipped the product out, that you're not just hitting the button shipped and it's 2 weeks later. So I always send a photograph. So this morning when I sent the photograph for the outfit that I made, and I will show it here, the customer said, "Oh my God, thank you so much." Within 3 minutes, she came back onto the messages and asked, "Can you make this shirt again and make it in white?" So of course she's already packed up, but of course I can make another shirt. So that just came in, and that is another $48.50, not including tax and shipping. So I thought I was almost done here, but I'm gonna make another shirt, open up the package, put that in. But just offering customer service and letting her see the finished product built trust, and she wanted me to make another shirt for her daughter, the same daughter, which is great because she's probably doing a photo shoot, or maybe she's gonna change during her party. I'm not really sure, but I'm very thankful. And that just shows you how customer service, communicating with your customers and making sure that you get things out properly. This order came in yesterday. She messaged me. I responded right away. She ordered. I let her know that I would have it done for her the next morning. I fulfilled my promise. It was made this morning, and here she is. She just ordered again. So that's how you build your business. Okay, I'm gonna go and make this shirt now. I'm gonna film it, and then I'm gonna be done for the day. I think I've gotta make 2 monkeys, and I'm gonna go and work on my business upstairs on the back end, and I'm almost done with my physical work. So I've been here for 3 hours. I got here at 6 a.m. It is 9 a.m. I'm almost done. So this is putting in the work. This is how you build your business and you grow on Etsy. And hopefully once the customers get these outfits, they will go onto my website and they will be lifelong customers.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
I'm Elisa, and thank you again for stopping by my channel. If you like this content, please click like and subscribe, and I'll make more Work With Me content.